Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today in this video we'll explain how to show Wi-Fi icon on Taskbar Windows 10 so you can quickly check and manage your network connection from the taskbar. Step 1. Right click on the desktop, select Personalization. This opens the main Windows settings area where system and network options are managed. Step 2. Select Taskbar from the left panel. This section controls which icons and features appear on your taskbar. Step 3. Scroll down and click on Turn System Icons on or off. Here you can enable or disable essential system icons like network, volume and power. Step 4. Find the network option and toggle it to on. Turning this on allows the Wi-Fi or network icon to appear on the taskbar again. Step 5. Close settings and check the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. You should now see the Wi-Fi icon, allowing quick access to network settings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more simple and helpful Windows tutorials.